Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest and safest way to locate and delete those massive, unnecessary files that are quietly eating up gigabytes of storage on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Ready to clean up your drive? Let's jump right in. We'll start with the fastest quick wins by clearing out the hidden temporary folders that most people forget about. First, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to bring up the Run dialog box. Type in Prefetch and hit Enter. If Windows asks for permission, simply click Continue or Yes. Inside, you'll find a folder filled with tiny files. This is just preloaded app data that Windows no longer needs. Press Ctrl+A to select everything, then press Shift+Delete to permanently remove them. Confirm the choice, and just like that, you've freed up a few hundred megabytes instantly. Now, let's open the Run box again by pressing Windows key plus R. This time, type Temp and hit Enter. We'll do the exact same thing here. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then Shift+Delete to clear them out. These are leftover installer and application junk files, so they are completely safe to remove. Let's open the Run box one more time. This time, type %temp%. That's a percent sign, followed by temp and another percent sign, and press Enter. This is the largest hidden temporary folder for user applications. On many PCs, this folder alone holds several gigabytes of clutter. Press Ctrl+A, then Shift+Delete, and confirm. If a window pops up saying a file is currently in use, just check the box for "Do this for all current items" and click Skip. Now for Phase 2, let's let Windows clean itself up using a built-in Pro tool. Press Windows key plus R one last time, type Clean MGR, and hit Enter. Select your main drive, which is usually your C drive, and click OK. To unlock the deepest cleanup options, click the button that says Clean up System Files. Select your C drive once more and click OK. Now, go ahead and check everything in this list. Pay close attention to items like Windows Update Cleanup, which can easily take up 10 to 30 gigabytes on older systems, as well as delivery optimization files, temporary internet files, thumbnails, and the recycle bin. Click OK, and then click Delete Files. This process can take anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes depending on how much clutter it's clearing, so feel free to grab a quick coffee while it works. Once it's done, give your PC a quick restart and you will notice the difference immediately. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep tinkering. I'll catch you in the next video.